wasting less margarine and reducing costs. Unilever is one of the largest producers of fresh goods in the world. At their factory in Rotterdam, they produce 50 different types of margarine every week. And each one has its own recipe. When switching between recipes, a remainder of the margarine is left in the machine and needs to be cleaned out of the system before the new recipe can begin. What a waste! Fortunately, the margarine left in the machine can be reused as long as the ingredients of the next recipe are identical. This process is called cutting. The costs of each transition between recipes differ, causing one combination to be cheaper than another. With so many recipes, the number of possible combinations is endless. However, at Studio Maui, we've developed a tool that can identify the costs of each recipe switch. With that information in hand, we can identify the optimal order in which the recipe should be produced and reduce the factory's processing costs. Thanks to Studio Maui, Unilever now wastes less margarine every week.